Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. Start with the dark blue gradient background. Place your subject holding a prop like a gun or gadget. Add city silhouette behind the subject. Apply gradient map, teal and orange. Use curves for contrast boost and add red and blue lights streaks for tension. Insert lens flares behind subject shoulder. Place bold movie title in sans serif font. Add dust or smoke overlay for mood. Use camera raw to enhance cinematic shadow. Add tagline text with spacing adjustment. Apply subtle vignette to frame the focus. Your spy poster looks ready for Hollywood. Thanks for watching.